The Nike Air Trainer Huarache continues to make waves in the retro sneaker scene. Originally designed by Tinker Hatfield in 1992, this classic silhouette has stayed relevant thanks to a mix of fresh colorways and collaborations, including notable releases with Corteiz. The latest version arrives in a striking challenge red and black colorway. This drop keeps things tonal across the upper while adding depth with dark underlays, midfoot straps, and midsole accents. Subtle speckled details on the midsole give it an extra touch of style, while the outsole features a pinkish hue inspired by the iconic red shade. Fans of the Huarache will appreciate how the design blends modern details with its classic 90s roots. Official photos of the challenge red and black Nike Air Trainer Huarache are out now. Expect the release to hit Nike.com and select retailers by May 2026, making it a must-watch drop for sneakerheads looking to add something bold to their collection.